Hello traders, welcome back my YouTube channel. Have you ever considered the possibility of an indicator that combines the MACD, EMA, and RSI to generate buy and sell signals? I'm sharing in this video. I will show you a very powerful strategy with which you can have perfect trades. This indicator mixes the three most used technical analysis indicators by traders, and I will help you improve it in your trading. And the best thing is that it is perfectly free. If you like our channel and the effort we put into each video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more update video. These are just a couple of examples showing how effective this tool is at guessing what might happen in the future. And the best part? The indicator does not repaint. It uses smart computer learning to keep getting better at making these predictions by learning from the past. With this trading strategy, it is almost impossible to lose. I tested it on many trading instruments and the results were incredible. The winning ratio sometimes reaches 90% and above. It's particularly well suited for short-term trading on intervals like 15 and 30 minutes. Plus, all the necessary indicators are freely available. In this short tutorial, I'll guide you on setting up this strategy and understanding when to enter and exit trades. On this channel, I simplify the latest and most effective trading methods, saving you valuable time. Let's start our video by adding the first indicator to your chart. Look for dynamic levels breakouts by Angelago in the indicators menu. This tool is like your treasure map for finding important resistance and support levels and price movements. It not only spots these levels, but also gives you clear signals for when the price might go up bullish or down, bearish. In the indicator settings, you can change the period to make it more or less sensitive. We suggest setting it to 14 for a clean and easy to read chart. While you're at it, turn off those extra lines in the style section to keep things simple. Overall, the dynamic levels breakouts indicator is quite reliable in its functionality. While these buy and sell signals work well in trending markets, there's room for improvement by adding a filter to weed out signals during price compression phases. After extensive research, I came across the MACD band's multi-time frame indicator by TradeMaster. MACD, Moving Average Convergence Divergence, is a tried and true trend following indicator that utilizes moving averages to spot shifts in momentum. It's versatile and can help you identify changes in trends, overbought or oversold conditions, and possible reversals. What sets this indicator apart is its multi-time frame capability, making it significantly more effective than a standard MACD. First, let's access the indicator settings. Here we have several options to configure, such as source, moving average, type, band, multiplier, and time frame. By default, the chart's time frame is selected, but we can change this setting. Instead of using the current time frame, we can choose a different one, like 1 hour. This adjustment will make the MACD smoother and less sensitive to sudden price swings. Here's a handy tip: set the MACD time frame to be twice as long as your current chart. For instance, if you're using a 5-minute chart, set the MACD time frame to 45 minutes. If you're on a 15-minute chart, select a 1-hour MACD time frame. Of course, you can always experiment with these settings to find what works best for you. Now the MACD band's indicator needs to change the setting to clear visible, so go to the Settings tab, then the Style tab to increase the MACD line faith. Then change the signal line color from yellow to black. And after the histogram, the opacity of the color has to be increased to 100%. Now we can set the band top and band bottom opacity to 100%. All is well, so click OK. Now, this specific MACD indicator includes a MACD line, a signal line, MACD histogram, and trend clouds. When the market is strongly trending upwards, you'll see the MACD line crossing above the signal line, and the cloud will turn green to confirm the bullish trend. When the market is predominantly influenced by sellers, you'll notice that the MACD line is positioned below the signal line and the cloud changes to red. Now, let's discuss how we can integrate these two indicators into a single strategy. First, we need to determine the order of confirmation for these indicators. In this strategy, the initial confirmation will come from the Dynamic Levels Breakout tool. In other words, any buy or sell signal it generates must be endorsed by the MACD. Specifically, if the dynamic levels breakout tool indicates a buy signal, the MACD should also show a positive reading. The color of the histogram isn't a critical factor in this strategy, as we aim to keep things straightforward. Implementing too many rules can make it extremely challenging to identify the valid trade signals. You're right, the strategy isn't complete just yet. There's one more element we need, a third confirmation indicator. To fill this gap, let's go back to the Indicators tab and search here Super Trend Zone. Select this Create by Omega Tools. This straightforward trading indicator is designed to swiftly identify and display both short-term and long-term trends in any market. The main purpose of the Super Trend Zone indicator is to make it easy for traders to recognize and visualize the prevailing trend. It simplifies the information, making it more user-friendly. Like the previous indicators, this one is also multi-time frame. For simplicity, it's often best to keep the settings at their default values. The Super Trend Zone includes two super trends. The slower one offers a broader perspective and doesn't react to sudden price spikes. It smooths out prices even during consolidation periods. The faster super trend, on the other hand, is more responsive to short-term price changes. Typically, when these two super trends intersect, the market is undergoing a correction phase. Absolutely. Let's summarize the complete rules for buying and selling with this strategy. For initiating a long trade, 3 conditions must be met. Buy signal from dynamic levels breakout. Look for a buy signal from the dynamic levels breakout indicator. Positive MACD and green cloud ensure that the MACD is positive or bullish. Pay close attention to the cloud. When it turns green, it indicates strong buying pressure. If the MACD narrows down, this suggests a drop in volume or correction. Super Trend Zone confirmation. Check the Super Trend Zone indicator for a positive bias. Both super trends should be blue. Finally, enter a buy position here. And set stop loss. Recent swing low or target is 1:1.5 risk to reward ratio. A's review how this trade performs. And this trade is easily wins. If you find this trading strategy valuable, please show your support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. For a short signal, ensure that the following criteria are met: dynamic levels breakout sell signal. Wait for the dynamic levels breakout indicator to generate a sell signal. Bearish MACD and red cloud confirm that the MACD is bearish. See on the cloud. When it turns red, it indicates strong selling pressure. You can still enter a trade if the MACD is narrowing down. Set your stop loss above the fast super trend and target a profit that is 1.5 times the amount you're risking. These rules will help guide your trading decisions when using this strategy. A's review how this trade performs. And this trade is easily wins. And one very important thing, when you use this indicator on 1 minute, 3 minute or 5 minute time frame, then your stop loss will be very small. So it may be that the broker you use, they provide you very high spread, due to which your chances of hitting the stop loss will be high. So I would request you to use IC Market, which will provide you zero spread and you will be able to execute pinpoint trades in market. Link in a description, join now. Remember, nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. This is purely for informational purposes. And if you like the video, then subscribe to our channel so that you do not miss any of our update strategy. Happy trading, thanks for watching our video.